Hello, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to talk about someone who is actually a friend of mine, Gina M Williams. Yep, we've been to lunch and coffee, a karaoke date. When I need advice on writing, she's the person that I call. And I got my favorite no-knead artisan bread recipe from Gina as well. I'm also kind of in awe of her, and that is because Gina Williams is one of the absolute most creative people that I know. I even interviewed her for my blog with the conversation about authenticity and creativity. And this is what Gina has to say about herself. I'm a Portland, Oregon, USA based international arts and culture journalist with a photography and travel focus. I'm also a strategic communications professional. I'm also a duck twice over with a bachelor's degree in journalism and a master's degree in strategic communication from the University of Oregon. I own Carpe Verbum Communications, and last but not least, I'm a published poet, essayist, photographer, and artist. And here is just one poem from her book, An Unwavering Horizon. It's called Just for Today. Just for Today by Gina Williams. We head into the mountains before dawn, me shotgun. I'm daddy's boy. Just for today, allowed to use the hatchet as wood chips fly like bees off saw teeth. Alder trees drop echoes through the forest. We share donuts on the tailgate. I sip from a green thermos cup. Real coffee, not cocoa. Later, at home, we will split and stack the sweet, damp logs. I'll show off my new muscles, take off my blue knit cap, let my hair fly in the breeze, hope I'll never be tempted to settle for anything less than this. So that's Gina Williams. Check her out here on LinkedIn. I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want to find out more about your voice and how it works and how to use it more effectively, you can find me right here on LinkedIn or at laurahandke.com.